Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Simplest Learning. In today's lesson, I am going to teach you the difference between possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives. So first of all, I would like to define possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns replace nouns and show ownership. The following are the possessive pronouns: has, hers, its, mine, yours, theirs, ours. Now I will define possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives modify nouns to show ownership. These are possessive adjectives: my, our, your, his, her, its, their. Look at this table. These are personal pronouns: I, we, you, he, she, it, they. These personal pronouns change into possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives as mine, ours, yours, his, hers, its, theirs. My, our, your, his, her, its, their. It is confusing when to use possessive pronouns and when to use possessive adjectives because both are used to show possession or ownership. But there is a difference in the use of possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives are used to show ownership and possession, to modify nouns, and always comes before the noun. While possessive pronouns are used to show ownership and possession, replace nouns, and can stand alone. Now look at this table. These are the examples of possessive adjectives and these are the examples of possessive pronouns. My book, the book is mine. Our home, the home is ours. Your car, the car is yours. His shop, the shop is his. Her pen, the pen is hers. Its door, their books, the books are theirs. You should remember that the word its is not used as a possessive pronoun. Now it is clear that both the possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns are used to show ownership, but remember that the possessive adjectives always come before nouns. As you are looking in these examples, while possessive pronouns replace nouns in a sentence and stand alone. Hope you may have learned possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives.